Welcome to the SL Tech Brain YouTube channel. You are thinking why I am wearing this uniform? Uh, I am a scout in Sri Lanka and I am participating for Jamboree in Korean. It's a virtual Jamboree, and there is a challenge called Plastic TT. Because of it, I am doing this video. Okay, uh, subscribe to the channel. And the thing is, uh, reduce. I'm going to talk about today what is reduce. Okay, then let's go to the video. Reduce is a one topic of 3R concept. There are three topics in 3R concept: uh, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce means cutting back on the amount of the trash that we make. Then my topic is reduce plastic and how to reduce plastic. Uh, then it means cutting back on the amount of plastic polythene that we make. Okay, let's talk about how to reduce plastic and polythenes. My first topic is how to reduce plastic. There are lots of kinds of plastic in this world. Example: plastic bottles, plastic box. Okay, there are plastic bottles in supermarkets and grocery shops and lots of places. If you drinking this kind of juice with this kind of plastic bottles, like uh, made by chemicals, uh, or are you drinking this kind of uh, juice, this kind of fresh juice and fresh milk with this cardboard box? Okay, if you drinking these kind of things, please stop it, because these drinks are not healthy for your uh, body. And if you're using this kind of bottles at your home, you can reuse it, or please don't buy that stuff, because the plastic bottles won't decay. uh, but when we're talking about this kind of cardboard bottles and this kind of juice, this juice and fresh milks are healthy for your body, because these things made by fruits, uh, these kind of made by fruits. Okay, and these kind of cardboard bottles are decaying in the environment. uh, okay, uh, now I'm going to talk about how to reduce polythenes. When you go into the grocery shops or the market or the supermarkets, if you're using these kind of polythene bags for bring stuff to the home, and are you using these polythenes when you go into the market and bring stuff without taking a polythene bag from the shop, uh, it's no use, because the polythene bag is temporary. It will be damaged in few minutes or few seconds. Because of it, uh, please don't use these polythenes. And these polythenes are harmful for the environment, because they don't decay in the environment. And if you using this kind of bags. It will be useful for your life because you can use these bags for long time, and this kind of bag won't be damaged easily. Because of it you can use this bag for long time, and these bags are decaying in the environment. Okay, lots of tips to take keep our environment clean. uh, if you think this video is useful to you, share this video to your friends and comment and like this video and subscribe my channel. uh, I'll catch up you from a new video.